Welcome to AGORACOM Small Cap Stock News for Monday, April the 28th, 2014. I'm your host, Alan Barry Labucan. I'm also the Chief Market Commentator for AGORACOM. Every day I get a bunch of press releases that stand out to me. I talk about what it was in their news that stood out, and I also go into their stock and try to give you an idea of what I see in the stock performance as well. We generally make the show 10 minutes. I've got 4 companies to talk about today, so we'll have no problem with that time frame. The first company I wanted to talk about today is Virtutone Networks. Virtutone Networks is an AGORACOM sponsor. They had a news release out today on their 2014, or their year-ended results. Their year ended in January 31st, 2014, and they had quite a jump in revenue from year over year. They went from $416,000 in fiscal 2013 to $48,823,000 in 2014. Quite a significant change. The company is really going through a very significant growth spurt now, and definitely one you want to do your homework on. VFX is their stock symbol, and they trade on the Venture Exchange. Next up is Blackberry. Blackberry Enterprises has an announcement out that they've deepened their commitment to secure multi-platform device management with Blackberry. Blackberry is a company that's a former tech market darling that has fallen on tough times. And sometimes these can be significant turnarounds. And they've got Josh Chen in there now, who's a very good guy at turning companies around. And I like the chances of Blackberry turning around. And this is just another good news in some of the efforts that they're making. The stock today is down 8 cents to $7.97. Traded 2.4 million shares so far today. Just looking at the stock chart, it hit the bottom back in December at around $6 a share, and then it moved up quite aggressively, basically doubled, and hit $12 2 times, once in January and then once in late February. Since then, it gave back some of those gains, but it looks like it has now bottomed out after giving back some of those gains and is ready to move to the upside again. I like Blackberry a lot. This is one I'll be talking about on the end of the week on our Best of the Best of Stock Picks of the Week show. BB is their stock symbol. They trade on Toronto. Next up is Madalena Energy. Madalena Energy had news out that have horizontal Sierra Blanca's test results, production update, and drilling program update on a project that they have down in Argentina. I've been watching Madalena for quite some time now, and I really like this company. They keep talking about their drilling. They're a lot more aggressive in communicating what they're doing with the public than most junior energy companies that I follow, and I like that. McIlvenna Energy is up a penny today to 71 cents on, what's the volume there? 1.8 million shares traded hands. Just looking at the stock chart, it's been on a very good run for most of the year. It started the year, this time last year, it was trading at around 30 cents. It's been doing very well. Since I spoke about it, I think it was trading at around 50-some cents last time. I like this. I like the performance of this chart. It's a very strong, bullish chart, and this is another one that I think we'll be talking about on the end of the week show, our Best of the Best Stock Picks of the Week show. later this week. MVN is their stock symbol. They trade on the Venture Exchange. And the final company today is Alacer Gold. Alacer Gold announced their first quarter results. They had gold production of 42,000 attributable ounces with an all-in costs of $739. That is very low cost of production and very good numbers there. You want to check out that news on the company's website. Alacer Gold is today, the stock is down 4.5 cents to $2.65. It's traded 452,000 shares. Just looking at the stock chart, this one had a low of around $2 in December, had a nice move up to $3.65. Has given back some of those gains, but I think it's also bottomed out and is ready to move up from here. I like the looks of that one. Alacer Gold stock symbol is ASR, and they trade on the Toronto Exchange. So that's a wrap on the news today, short and sweet. We, as always, before making any investment decision, it's important for you to speak with your financial advisors and do your homework. Join us for Monday through Thursdays for in the news show where I do this, go over companies, talk about their stock charts, try to give you a heads up on what I see in the news and on their stock charts. And you can find that every morning on AGORACOM at on the top right-hand side of the page. There's a video player there. Just click on that and you can watch the shows. You can find all of our past shows also on blog.agoracom.com and on my website at allenberryreports.com. On that note, you have a great day, and we will talk to you soon.